Hello guys, Arifur is here and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to generate business mails. At first, you have to open the Excel sheet. Then you have to copy the first name. Then you have to open business mail generator Excel sheet. Then you have to paste the first name on here. Then you have to go back to the previous Excel sheet. Then copy the last name. Again, paste it on last name. Then you have to input domain. Just copy and paste it on domain. Then you have to delete like this. Then press enter. Here you can see all business mails has been generated. Now just select them, right click, then copy, then minimize Excel program, then open Google Chrome. Then you have to visit gmail.com. You must have to log in your Gmail account. Then you have to click compose. Then you have to paste the mails on here. Just make sure LinkedIn Sales Navigator extension has been installed in your Google Chrome. Then just move your mouse on the emails like this. This is not the valid mail. This is also not. This is not the valid mail. Oh, you can see this is the valid mail because you can see the person's LinkedIn profile on the right side of the Gmail, and you can also see her name shown as blue color. This is the valid mail. For collect this valid mail, double click on it, make selection, right click and copy and input in your Excel sheet. Right click and paste. Now you have a question about how to download business mail generator Excel sheet. For download business mail generator Excel sheet, you have to contact me with this mail.